Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Woodall All-Pro team, and I'm excited to show you this new mixed-use property right in the heart of Camdenton. Come on, let's go check out 96 Niangua. This property features a nice office space with a full bathroom and a kitchenette. Outside you will find a 48 by 49 metal building with a 13 by 20 door, all situated on a large lot in town with room to build. If you'd like more information about this great property, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.